Dr. Jaffe, you often recommend a low temperature sauna. Why? And what are your thoughts on an infrared sauna?
Well, low temperature needs to be defined. Low temperature is 105 to 110 degrees Fahrenheit. And the purpose of a low temperature sauna is quite different from a higher temperature sauna that stimulates sweat. It stimulates electrolytes and water to be released from the body. It does not stimulate fat-soluble, lipophilic, harmful chemicals to be mobilized and slowly excreted through piloerector muscles, through little pores in the skin. But you must have 105 to 110 degrees for some period of time, like an hour, until an oily sheen forms on the skin. Then you get out of the sauna into a shower or a bath with a castile soap and maybe a loofah so that you remove these oils, which often contain solvent residues and persisting organic pollutants and forever molecules that you really need to get rid of. And it's hard to get rid of them other than through a low temperature sauna. Now, what about a Finnish sauna versus a Turkish sauna versus an infrared sauna? Finnish saunas are fine. They can be set for 105 to 110 degrees. Infrared saunas are fine. They can be set for the same temperature. The feature and benefit that I understand about infrared saunas is that the infrared penetrates a little more deeply into the skin. That is true. Does that affect the amount of lipophilic fat-loving molecules that the body excretes? I don't know of any evidence that it's any different between a Finnish sauna and an infrared sauna in regard to mobilizing lipophilic compounds. So that's your choice. A Turkish sauna is, by definition, steamy, wet, and it can be set to 105 or 110 degrees, but it's not really ideal to sit in that steam for that period of time. So I recommend either a Finnish sauna, which is dry, or an infrared sauna, which is fine. And I do recommend low temperature saunas for people living in the 21st century because of all the harmful fat-loving molecules that we get exposed to and that tend to build up in our bodies, in our organs, in our fat. Sometimes when you start low temperature saunas, you can literally smell the solvents, the benzene, the toluene, the xylene, the orthotoluene, etc., or methylene chloride. You can literally smell the solvents getting released from your body. That's an interesting confirmation that Bill Ray and others pointed out in the importance of low temperature saunas for detoxification.